The Porsche Taycan GTS is a performance-oriented luxury sedan that blends Porsche's legendary driving dynamics with electric technology. It offers an unforgettable driving experience, exceptional handling, and an interior designed for those who appreciate both performance and luxury. Performance: 395 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Range: 300 miles on a full charge. Top speed: 155 miles per hour. Interior: elegant, with high-quality leather, wood accents, and advanced climate control systems. The Jaguar XJ Electric combines British craftsmanship with innovative electric technology. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and smooth ride, it's a top choice for anyone who wants an eco-friendly luxury sedan that still delivers on performance. Performance: 365 horsepower with rear-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds. Range: 270 miles per charge. Top speed: 140 miles per hour. Interior: modern, with high-quality materials, tech-rich features, and a spacious cabin. The Genesis G80 Electric is a newcomer to the electric luxury sedan market but already making waves with its sophisticated styling and premium features. Combining luxury, eco-conscious driving, and performance, it's a great option for those looking for a reliable and comfortable electric vehicle. Longer range. By 2025, expect luxury electric sedans to offer ranges of 350-500 miles per charge, making them practical for long trips and daily commutes. Faster charging. With the latest charging technology, luxury sedans will be able to charge to 80% in less than 30 minutes, reducing downtime on the road. Advanced technology. Expect AI-driven systems, semi-autonomous driving features, and personalized infotainment options that will make driving more enjoyable and safer.